Question says among the following, identify the species with an atom in +6 oxidation state. Question says in the given following species, we have to identify in which species the central element is present in +6 oxidation numbers. Okay, let's calculate one by one. We have these all are polyatomic ion. This is polyatomic ion, this is polyatomic ion, this is also polyatomic ions, and this is a neutral compound. No problem, we can calculate one by one. Okay, first we have MnO4 minus. MnO4 minus is there. Total charge is what? -1. -1 we can write. For manganese we have to calculate how many oxygen? 4 oxygen. Each oxygen is what? -2. Manganese -8 is equal to -1. Then manganese is equal to -1 plus 8 is equal to +7. Okay, so you can see manganese is present in +7 oxidation numbers. So anyway, this is not the correct choice. Okay, then we go for the B option. So in this case we have, this is what? CRs. It is CRs. The CR we can write plus. How many CN are there? 6. Each CN is what? -1. Total charge is what? -3 is there. Simplify. CR minus 6 is equal to -3. Then CR is equal to -3 plus 6. It will give +3. So CR is present in +3 oxidation numbers. Okay, we got chromium is present in +3 oxidation numbers. Okay, now move on to the option C. So in this case you can see we have nickel is there. Let me change the colors. We have nickel. Okay, so we have nickel is there. How many fluorine atoms are there? 6. Each fluorine is what? -1, and total charge is what? -2 is equal to -2 we can write. Nickel -6 is equal to -2. Then nickel is equal to -2 plus 6, and then we got nickel is present in +4 oxidation numbers. Okay, so till now we did not get any option in which central element is present in +6 oxidation numbers. Okay, then obviously we are left with option D. It should be correct, otherwise this question is incorrect. Okay, then we can calculate for the last one also. For chromium we have to calculate the oxidation numbers. Chromium. Okay, so let me have some more space. We have chromium is there. Okay, we got more space. Then we have, it is CrO2 and it is Cl2 is there. For chromium we have to calculate oxidation state. Okay, Cr plus how many oxygen? 2 oxygen. Each oxygen is what? -2 plus how many Cl? 2 Cl are there. Each Cl is what? -1. Neutral compound is equal to 0. Okay, then we have Cr -4 -2, it is supposed to be -2, is equal to 0. Cr -6 is equal to 0. Then we got a Cr is equal to +6. You can see chromium is present in +6 oxidation numbers. Okay, chromium is present in +6 oxidation numbers. Here we have the option D. Option D is correct, in which chromium is present in the given compound. Chromium is present in +6 oxidation state is there.